What to do if Instagram is not opening? So the first thing we can try is to offload the application. To do that, go open your settings application, click general. In this page, tap on iPhone storage and then wait for this to load. Once it's loaded, find Instagram among these applications and then click on offload app. This will remove all the information and cache that the app currently holds, avoiding any errors and bugs that the Instagram may encounter. Now, after offloading, the reinstall button will appear, so just click on that and wait for your application to be reinstalled. After that, check if your Instagram is not opening. If not, you can try restarting your iPhone device. So tap on the volume up button, tap on the volume down, and then hold the power button, then turn this off. Once your device turns on, check your Instagram application again and this should open now. So that is how to fix Instagram not opening. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.